I've been using this SPODARE Day Night Cream combo, and honestly, it's a little luxury I look forward to every single day. In the evening, I apply the night cream. It's rich with vitamin A, but still super gentle. It melts into my skin and feels like it's rubbing my face in softness. I wake up to skin that feels smooth, calm, and just renewed. And in the morning, the day cream comes in lightweight, packed with vitamin C. It gives this natural glow, hydrates deeply, and doesn't mess with my makeup. It's basically one sleek jar that covers my full skincare routine. Hydration, glow, firmness, and it's made for all skin types, so I never worry about reactions. I love how it makes my skin feel, but also how it makes me feel like I'm doing something good for myself. Premium skincare that actually simplifies everything? Yes, please.